When I first started making travel videos 5 years ago, I never had any experience or any education related to filmmaking. I was using a compact camera to record my epic Himalayan solo hiking trip for myself as a memory. In this video, I will tell you the 5 practical tips for making a great travel video. So like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our uploads. And of course, today's video is brought to you by Tripidabido.com, the premier platform for booking tours and activities in this city, and is the proud sponsor of this video. Interested in traveling, click the link in the description below. 6. Diversify your shots. As mentioned before, travel videos don't have the luxury of having a proper structure and an engaging story to keep the audience interested, so it is important for you to experiment and diversify the way you shoot videos in order to keep your audience until the end. Try panning left, right, up, down, shoot time-lapse, or on a moving vehicle. Shoot from worm-eyes view, slowly spinning shots, or from different angles. One of my favorite techniques, which I used a lot when I'm in a church in Europe, is to wrap my camera strap around my neck, tilt the camera up and slowly spinning my body to capture a smooth motion of all the beautiful ceilings of cathedrals and churches. 7. Create motion. One difference between travel photography and videography is that most of the beautiful architecture you find when you are traveling can be beautifully captured with a photo. But when it comes to videos, due to the lack of motion, you will not be able to capture the excitement and the energy of the place like photography does. You will need to create your own motion, and there are several ways you can do that. You can try creating your own motion with a simple camera movement like panning. Use time-lapse to bring life into an otherwise static building or landscape, or shoot something that is already moving like kids playing, pigeons flying, or people dancing. 8. Get close-up shots of locals. Nothing can invoke more human emotion than having a person staring intensely at your camera. We humans interact with each other every day. We love, we laugh, we cry because of each other, and we can utilize that in our travel videos to bring out a strong emotion from your audience. 9. Connect your shots in a meaningful way. This is probably one of the hardest and most time-consuming parts of editing a travel video. Most travel videos look like a bunch of random clips stitched together with no purpose or story behind it, which is alright, but if you want to create a great travel video and stand out from the rest, you need to pay attention to how the clips are connected. 10. Export it properly. Last but not least, export your video with proper settings so that all your hard work won't be ruined by a poor finished product. A good rule of thumb is to export it in the highest quality possible with the settings consistent with the source. For example, if the majority of your footages are shot in 25 fps, set your sequence to 25 fps when editing and export it in a ProRes RAW format in 25 fps. Why RAW? So that you have a high-quality version backed up, and then you can convert the raw ProRes file into a different format, which is much faster than converting again directly from the source. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.